Brenna, what are you talking like right now?
Robot.
A robot?
Yes.
Be careful, are you okay? Tell me how you talk like a robot. Say, I am a robot.
I am a robot.
You're so silly. What are you doing? What did you just eat? What did you just drink?
A chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Yes.
Was it yucky?
No, yummy.
It's yummy?
Yes, I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Cool.
I like it.
You like it?
Lick.
You licked it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What are you doing? Why do you keep reorganizing the magnets? Oh, thumbs up? Okay. Looks good.